prepping deck, drilling, tapping, metal base plate, cutting in the dash, mounting the Glendinning controls, mounting the VHF and the loud hailer. That's the VHF. Put in the seats, made those seats, bench seats and table seats. Fabric the inside of the master stateroom, the start and stops, the microphones on, the aft station controls, the glass bridge, the autopilot, the bench seat covers, the table seat covers, the flooring down, the table on, the aft cover for the aft station, the covers for the dash radios, the bench seat for the tuna tower, the backrest for the tuna tower, the custom captain seat, and all the back areas leather edged. Inside all demasked and detaped. Pillows made for both the kitchen and the living room. The plumbing in the cockpit bath. All the door handles on throughout the boat. Galley appliances in. Everything uncovered. Side doors by the upstairs in. The upstairs needs some cleanup and some prep. As a look at the upper tuna tower seats, all the door handles inside in.